Every Indian's comfort meal is usually dal chawal. But if you want to take it up a notch and upgrade it, today I'm going to show you a lentil stew that you can have with a herbed rice. Let's see how it's done. So dal of the day today is masoor dal. This is very nice and smoky on its own. Today we are going to make a stew out of this. It's very simple, very close to the normal dal that you eat at home with all the ingredients available right at your home. I'm going to start by adding 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil has heated up, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin pops, I'm going to add in crushed ginger, garlic and chili paste. Next, I'm going to add in chopped onion. This is 1 chopped onion. I'm going to saute it till it softens. And then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. You can also use puree of 2 tomatoes here. After cooking the tomato paste properly, I'm going to add in our soaked masoor dal. I'm using 3/4 cup of soaked masoor dal. I'm going to toss it around just to warm it through. And next I'm going to start adding our spices. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder and salt to taste. I'm going to toss this around and saute it just to release the flavors. And then I'm going to add in water. Bring it to a boil, cover and cook till the dal is nice and soft. Let's check our masoor dal. It has absorbed a lot of water and it looks like it's ready. To go with the dal, I'm making a buttered jeera and herb rice. So I'm going to start with a lot of butter in a very hot pan. 1 teaspoon of jeera. Along with it, I'm going to add in some mixed herbs. You can also use pizza seasoning if you like. Now to this, I'm going to add some cooked rice. We're going to saute this. Our upgraded version of dal chawal is now ready to serve. You can have it with whichever side you like, whether it's dahi, papad or achar. I'm going to serve this lentil stew with buttered jeera rice with a dollop of dahi and a sprinkling of red chilli powder. When you try this recipe out, let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.